Road. We are blessed to live here. The beauty of our community, the clear water, the abundant life. It is a gift we cherish, but beneath the surface of this beauty is a crisis is brewing. This film meant to show the true reality of the environmental issues in our very own community. We are asking ourselves, what are we doing to the place we call home?
It starts small, a rapper here, a rapper there. We think it's just one piece or someone will clean it. This casual disregard is the root of the problem. It is the small choices that create a massive consequence.
Alam mo ba na nahirapan ang ating lokal sistema sa pagmaneho ng ating basura? Ayon sa datos, bawat sambahayan sa ating barangay ay nakakalikha ng higit 2 kilo ng basura kada adlaw. Sa kasamaang palad, 60% lang dito ang nakukolekta ng maayos. Ang natirang 40% ay napupunta sa ating mga kalye, ilog at huli ay sa dagat.
This is rain. He fished these waters for years for him and his family. The ocean is not a view, it's a lifeline that is being choked.
It's getting harder to feed my family because of all this trash. I pull up more plastic than fish these days. The sea is sick.
This is where it all ends up. The wrapper dropped on the street, the bottle flicked from a car window. It all travels here, to our doorstep. This bye-bye is a visual presentation of our collective negligence. It is a wound we have inflicted on our home.
Kapitan, unsay pinakadakong problema nga inyong gatubang sa pagdumala sa basura sa atong barangay?
Atong barangay, sa ang pinakadakong problema parte sa basura. Kinanglan ang mga tao may bawa kung tao kanang tipo sa ilang patag basura sa kada nila bahay. Kaya ron nanang maminus-minus ang problema nato sa basura.
Unsay buhaton para masulbat kini?
Kanang problema dili mo sumbat kung dili kayo sa kanang mga tao nga muhimo og kanang yung basura ko, hindi ka maguna sa mga tao. So, ang magasulbat po dara mga tao rapod.
We have seen the reality. The choice is stark. We have the power to protect this place for Ray, for his family, and for ourselves. Environmentalism is not a concept. It's a daily habit. What kind of home do you want to live in? It's time to stop crying over the tide and start cleaning it up.